Kase. My name is Kase. It's Samoan Language Week.
And talofa lava, Winton School. Lor-u ingoa Ben. My name is Ben. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā Pare, the 2nd of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is pukapuka, which is te reo for book.
As in whare puka-puka, which means library.
Ka pai, that's pukapuka, which is te reo for book.
VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Library news, also known as fuddy puka-puka panui.
And that's right. Te whare puka-puka is open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
It's toasty and the books are tasty.
Okay, tomorrow is Rā Mere and it's my favourite Rā o te wiki because it's Sausage Sizzle Day!
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30 koutou. Correct money please.
Remember to keep your $1 coins for cookies that will be on sale by the barbecue at lunchtime.
Cookie sales help fund the Year 8 Deep Cold Camp.
Please note there are no hot chocolates on sale tomorrow, but senior cross-country runners will still be able to order sausages.
Problem solving team, you have a get together today at 12:45 in the group room. Kia ora.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again, read all the notices in the text box below.
Hello! Oh no! Get up! Oh, what was it like?
Oh, it was really scary.
Oh, we're lucky. No birthdays at WINTON School today, but 73 years ago, Lizzie became Queen Elizabeth II.
And that's it today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.